Alright, let's look at Chapter 2, Lesson 7, Review. The directions say shade the next two figures to continue the pattern, and then explain your answer. So what you have to do is look to see what the pattern is. So start at the first box, and we know that it's just a clear box. Then we have two shaded. Then we have a whole box shaded. And then the pattern starts over again. If you see, we have a clear box, two shaded, and then I know that I need to shade this whole box in, and then I'm going to start the pattern over again and start with a clear shaded box. In order to explain this, you can say that you started looking and you know that the pattern repeats every 3 boxes. Looking down at number 2, you're going to do the same thing. You start at the first one and you know the top 2 are shaded. Then you have the bottom left. Then you have the top 2 and the bottom left. And then it starts over again. You have the top 2, you have the bottom left, and then I know, since it's starting over again, that I have the top and the bottom left. And then once again, it's going to start from the very beginning of the pattern, and I have just the top shaded. Again, to explain yourself, you can note that the pattern repeats itself every 3 boxes. Alright, let's go down to the problem solving section. So we're going to read the problems first and then underline any of the important information. So number 3, Jill had $4 left after she bought 3 birthday cards. The birthday cards cost $2 each. How much money did she have before she bought the cards? So I need to underline that she had $4 left, that she bought 3 birthday cards, and that each birthday card costs $2. I also need to know what the question is. How much money did she have before she bought the cards? So I'm going to underline that as well, so I know that I answer the question. In order to begin this, I'm going to start with the birthday cards that she bought. I know that she bought 3, and each card was $2, so I'm going to multiply 3 times 2 to get 6. This is how much the birthday cards cost altogether. Then I know that Jill had $4 left, so I'm going to add 6 plus 4 in order to get how much she started with. 6 plus 4 is $10. So I know that Jill started with $10. Now let's look down at number 4. Miranda left her apartment to exercise by walking up and down the stairwell. She walked down 7 floors, then she walked up 3 floors to the 8th floor. Last, she walked up 4 floors to get back to her apartment. Which floor does Miranda live on? So we're going to underline that she walked down 7 floors. Then she walked up 3 floors, which got her to the 8th floor. And last, she had to walk up 4 more floors to get back to where she started. Also underline, which floor does Miranda live on? So thinking about that, I need to think of where she started. I'm going to put a dot down. Now I know that this is where she's starting, and I know that she's going to walk down 7 floors. So start here and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's where she walked down to. I then am going to go up 3 floors. So 1, 2, 3. Now I know this is the 8th floor. In the last piece of information, she had to walk up 4 more flights of stairs in order to get back to the start. So from the 8th floor, 1, 2, 3, 4 gets me back to start. So all I need to do is add 4 floors to 8. So 4 plus 8 is going to be 12. So I know that Miranda lives on the 12th floor.